she was just a girl.
Getting nervous, really nervous. Today is the biggest day of my life. It's all happening. Third time lucky. This is our third wedding and the luckiest girl to be marrying my best friend. 12 years, babe. You've done well putting up with me, and I'm so proud to be your wife. I love you.
Every time she closed her eyes.
Love you, babe. Can't wait to marry you, and look forward to being by your side for the rest of our life. And waiting here at the altar for you, and I'll see you soon. Love you.
But it flew away from her reach, and the bullets catching her teeth. Life goes on, it gets so heavy. The wheel breaks the butterfly. Every tear a waterfall. In the night, the stormy night, she closed her eyes. In the night, the stormy night, away she flies. And dream of
Today, in front of all our family and friends, I want to give you my heart, my love, my every breath, and my unwavering devotion. For as long as there is a breath in my body, I will love you, cherish you, and be faithful to you. My best friend, my one true love, I am yours from now and forever.
Danny boy, I want to let you know that you're not the air that I breathe. You are the sweet scent that droops upon it. You're not the sound that I hear. You are the music of my life. You're not the food that I eat. You are the nourishment of my soul. You're not my will to survive. You are my reason for living. It is with you that I experience the wisdom of this world. It is with you that I can overcome the challenges of my path. It is your partnership that will lead me to fulfill all of my dreams. It is your friendship that guides me as I grow and learn. It is your patience, wisdom that calms my mood swings, my undecisiveness, my restless nature. It is through you that I know my true self. I promise not to take you for granted and will cherish you each and every day. I do not need you, I choose you. I choose you today in front of our family and friends. I choose you tomorrow in the privacy of our hearts. I choose you because of your strength and your weakness. I choose you in health and in sickness. I choose you in joy and in sorrow. I will choose you over everybody else in this world every day, the rest of my life.